Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to learn 1000 hours of knowledge in 5 minutes on Google NotebookLM. So if you want to learn 1000 hours of knowledge about a certain topic, just click on the topic that you're interested in your sources. So I will say, let's say this, and then you need to tell me 1000 hours about this topic. And then, as you will see right now, he should give you a really big sentence about this, everything that you need to know. So let's just wait a bit. So as you guys see, it works perfectly fine. And that's it for the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.